before we start, yesterday, I honestly felt I don't know like what you're going to cover for this 8 hours, because I don't see much to talk about Edge. Edge is a very simplified version, because in lead we have so much to talk about, but in Edge it's pretty much straightforward. I already know about Edge. So I'm familiar about Edge. So I really did not know what you're going to talk about for 8 hours, but it was excellent. Yeah, you made it very detailed, and it was very insightful, very impressive, very informative, and you are very dedicated. I see that you have a very great career and great future. All the best to you as well. Thanks a lot for this session.
Thank you. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. You made my Saturday night, and I will have a great weekend. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Especially when you had so much to do in a day, and after which you have to come back to office and cover next 4 hours. You're very dedicated. We have to learn a lot from you. Thanks.
Thank you.